Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. What you have to do, you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. In the first step, simply go to control panel and click here to open it. Once we are here, we need to select view by as large icons. Then just scroll down and click on sound. Once we are here, we need to select the speakers, or you can also select your microphone. Then right click on it, try to disable it and enable it to the both option. And from the recordings, you have to do the same process for the microphone also. Disable it and enable it again. Select its properties, go to enhancements tab, and we need to check this option, disable all enhancements. Okay, again do the same process for this one. We need to set the level up to the 100% for the microphone properties, and close all windows one by one. Now simply right click on the start icon, go to device manager. Once we're here, we need to expand the sound, video and game controllers. Simply right click on it, select properties. Now we need to go to drivers tab and click on update driver. Select the first option, and the best drivers will be installed automatically. If this not work, you can choose the second one option. Click on let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select the model, click on next and select OK. Now if this does not work, then simply right click on it and click on uninstall device and simply restart the system and problem will be solved. There is another method to fix this issue. What you have to do, you need to press go to search bar, type here regedit. You can also type here registry editor. Then we need to expand the HKey local machine, then expand system folder, then expand current control set 001, then expand control folder. Now we need to expand Bluetooth folder, expand audio folder, then expand the AVRCP, select CD folder, and on the right side right click on disable absolute volume, select modify and change value data as 1. Click on OK. Simply restart your system and problem will be solved. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. That will be also a better way to fix this issue. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.